To begin the process of setting up the instrument, first connect the regulator to the gas bottle. Place the bottle and regulator into the harness and connect the coiled gas line to the regulator. The optimum pressure is set between 60 to 80 pounds per square inch or 400 to 550 kilopascals. Pierce the rubber bung of the vaccine vial to ensure a clean passage for the draw-off needle. Fit the draw-off needle and cap to the vaccine vial and place this vial into the front pouch of the harness in an inverted position. Attach the feed tube to the instrument and adjust the dose to the maximum setting. Fit a needle to the needle nut and prime the instrument by actuating the trigger until all the air is expelled from the cylinder. Readjust the dose setting to suit your particular needs. To ensure continued high performance from the instrument, attention to cleanliness is essential, both for the protection of the user and of the livestock. Leave the power source connected to the instrument. Disconnect the system from the chemical bottle and set the dose of the instrument to its maximum. Submerge the draw-off needle into a mixture of biodegradable dishwashing liquid and hot water. Operate the instrument until a reasonable amount of water has been passed through the system. Submerge the draw-off needle into a container of warm to hot clean water and operate the instrument until a reasonable amount of water has been passed through the system. The most common cause of misfiring in this instrument is poor lubrication. After cleaning and drying the instrument, lubricate it with a clean, good quality vegetable oil, such as olive oil or white oil. Do not use machine oils though, as they may damage the seals and the O-rings. Dip the inlet fitting of the instrument into a small container of oil and operate the instrument until a small amount of oil is sucked into the cylinder. Refire the instrument back into the container and the instrument is now completely lubricated from the inlet valve to the delivery valve. Turn the gas control knob clockwise to turn off the gas supply. Fire the instrument to expel the gas and remove the coiled gas line from the regulator. Unscrew the regulator from the bottle and your equipment is now ready to be stored. Should the need arise to service the instrument, a service kit is available. To dismantle the instrument, first remove the inlet adapter by unscrewing in an anti-clockwise direction. Remove the inlet valve. Remove the pushrod O-ring, being careful not to damage the thread of the pushrod. Unscrew the cylinder in an anti-clockwise direction and remove the needle mount from the front of the cylinder. Remove the delivery valve assembly and the O-ring from the front of the cylinder. Remove the O-ring and the grey tube valve from the delivery valve assembly. Remove the front and rear piston O-rings. The rear piston O-ring can be accessed by pushing down on the rear of the pushrod. The instrument is now stripped of its parts and it's ready to have a service kit installed. Before installing the kit, it is important to lightly lubricate the parts. Place a small amount of the supplied vegetable oil onto your fingers and run the parts through the oil.